Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who loves serving up delicious desserts and snacks in style. We're talking about the AOZITA 9 ounces clear plastic cups with dome lids, the best disposable fruit cups with lids on the market. These cups are not just your average disposable containers. They're crafted from premium, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and durability. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, a wedding reception, or simply want to impress guests at a family gathering, these cups are designed to elevate your dessert game. Let's talk about what sets these cups apart. Each set comes with 50 clear cups and dome lids that securely seal to prevent leaks and keep your treats fresh. The 9 ounces capacity is perfect for a variety of desserts, from layered parfaits and ice cream sundaes to decadent mousses and fruit salads. What I love most is their versatility. Not only are they ideal for sweet treats, but you can also use them for savory options like dips and appetizers. The crystal clear design not only showcases your culinary creations beautifully but also adds a touch of elegance to any occasion. Speaking of occasions, these cups are a lifesaver for on-the-go treats. Whether you're catering an event, running a food truck, or simply enjoying a picnic, the sturdy construction ensures they won't crack or leak, giving you peace of mind. Pro tip: they're freezer safe, so you can prepare desserts ahead of time and store them without worry. Plus, they're easy to stack, store, and transport, making cleanup a breeze. Now, before we wrap up, let me mention that customers rave about these cups. They've received stellar reviews for their quality and functionality, which speaks volumes about their performance. And there you have it, the AOZITA 9 ounces clear plastic cups with dome lids. Your go-to solution for serving desserts and snacks with style and convenience. If you're interested in picking up a set for yourself, I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.